Hey there, car lovers. Welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to spot for automotive diagnostics, repairs, and tips. Today, we're diving into a lesser-known but important trouble code, P0065, Air-Assisted Injector Control Circuit, open. What does it mean? How do you fix it? Let's break it down. The code appears when your vehicle's ECU detects a problem with the air-assisted fuel injector system, specifically an open or faulty circuit. That system helps optimize air and fuel delivery during startup, especially in cold weather. Common causes of P0065. Number 1. Faulty air-assisted injector solenoid. The solenoid may be stuck closed or open, or the internal coil may be burned out, preventing the proper operation of the air-assisted injector system. Use a multimeter to check resistance across the solenoid terminals. If it's open or out of spec, check service manual for correct value. Replace it. Number 2. Damaged or corroded wiring. The wiring harness to the injector solenoid can become brittle from engine heat or contaminated with oil and moisture. Over time, this can lead to opens, shorts, or high resistance that triggers the code. Start by inspecting the wiring and connector to the air-assisted injector. Look for visible damage, such as cracks, fraying, or greenish corrosion. Number 3. Broken or shorted connector. Connectors can become loose, damaged by vibration, or corroded from moisture ingress. A poor connection interrupts the signal between the ECU and the solenoid. With the key off, use a multimeter to check for continuity between the ECU connector and the solenoid. Number 4. Failed ECU. It's rare but possible. In rare cases, the ECU itself may be faulty. This could be due to internal circuit board damage or software issues, causing it to misread or fail to send voltage to the injector solenoid. If all else fails and the circuit checks out, have the ECU tested. This may involve a professional scan tool or oscilloscope to verify proper output signer below. So that's P0065 in a nutshell. Don't ignore it. It affects your fuel economy and emissions. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more car repair tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.
Car Repair Pro Tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go?" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules.
Thanks for watching.